Hello Forex lovers, welcome to Kingdom Forex Academy's first analysis video. This is actually something we've really been waiting for, and we're so delighted to share with you two of our analysis that we made this week on AUD/USD and gold. AUD/USD and gold, guys. So without taking much of your time, let's just get straight into the trades. Let's see what the chart looks like and let's make some money this week, guys. Let's make some money. All right, I'll be starting with AUD/USD right now. All right, so this is my screen right now. You can see AUD/USD on my monthly chart. I plotted my key levels already. I have one key level here at this point, and also at this point. So that's it, my key levels on monthly chart. Let's get to the weekly. All right, on the weekly, so you can see there's this downtrend right here on the weekly chart, which AUD/USD seems to have broken. AUD/USD seems to have broken this weekly chart right about here, and that's a bit of a concern. So let's get into our daily chart. Spotted, so we've already gotten the direction of the market from our weekly chart. So you can see that pullback that AUD/USD did right here before breaking that downtrend, which is this downtrend line here. AUD/USD broke it right here, so it was doing some kind of uptrend, then it broke it just right about here, and then AUD/USD went to touch this key level that I plotted right here, and after getting to that zone, started coming back down. So let's get to our let's get, because this is looking like a pullback that is going to the upside, which means we should be looking for potentials of it breaking this level right here and trading upwards. But let's get to our 4-hour. Let's get to the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at what AUD/USD has for us on the 4-hour time frame. So looking at the 4-hour time frame, we can see that there's another kind of mini uptrend going on right here, which AUD/USD seem to have made a pullback from that uptrend and broken that uptrend line. And right now, it broke it to the downside. But look at this bullish engulfing candle right here, guys. This is something of a bit of a concern. I'm concerned about this bullish engulfing candle right here. But the market seemed to just touch the uptrend line and is coming back down. So this is what it is, guys. You're hearing it first here on Kingdom Forex Academy live right here. If AUD/USD should break this level, if AUD/USD breaks the 0.67827 level and starts going to the downside, I'll be looking to shorten AUD/USD, and I'll be targeting nothing less than this point for my take profit. So I'll be getting in if the AUD/USD breaks this level, which is 0.67827. I'll be looking to get into a sell, and my take profit to be on 0.66742 for TP1, and overall profit I'll be looking to getting up to 0.65987. So that's my analysis on AUD/USD, guys. So just keep your eyes on this level. If AUD/USD breaks this level, get in on a sell, guys. It's legit. It's gonna happen live. So you're hearing it live here on KFA. So let's get into our gold trade now, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you know you don't want to blow that account, hit the subscribe button, guys. Price action is everything, but when you follow us on KFA and you watch every of our analysis every week, I can tell you, I can beat my chest for you. You're gonna be profitable in the Forex market. So this is it, spot on KFA analysis. Check out our next videos that we're going to be posting by next week, and I'll be giving you more updates. Bye bye.